Hi everyone, this is Caleb from Programtherm. Today, I would like to recommend you one of our standard laboratory tube furnaces. It is a compact, benchtop, horizontal, splittable quartz tube furnace. The max working temperature could reach to 1,200 Celsius degrees. It can be used for heat treatments on materials in various industries, such as lithium battery, new energy, graphene, ceramic, electron, chemicals, etc. This tube furnace mainly consists of 5 parts, namely furnace body, processing tube, the sealing flange parts, the gas supplying device, and temperature controller system.
Furnace outer steel shell is processed with pickling and first fitting, environment powder coating on surface, corrosion and oxidation resistance, excellent appearance and workmanship. This is a splittable tube furnace, and the furnace door equipped with hydraulic rods. So when open the furnace door, the hydraulic support automatically rises, which is convenient and labor-saving. The chamber built with ceramic fiber material with embedded heating wire, N-type some cable, heating length 400 mm, suitable for tube diameter 40 to 80 mm. The transparent quartz tube inside equipped with ceramic plugs for preventing heat leakage. The sealing flange equipped with a vacuum gauge, needle valve. And the first open sealing flange makes a good sealing performance, easy to install, fast loading and unloading. The gas supplying device, designed with pressure gauge, gas switch, gas meter, gas inlet and outlet on site. The controlling system integrates temperature controller and buttons on the panel. Turn on the switch, press and hold the run key with 3 seconds. Then press the start button. The heating indicator flashes. For safety measures, the furnace will alarm when overheating, thermocouple breaking, etc.
In addition to this recommended model, we still have a lot of other tube furnace models with various heating zones, such as double heating zone, triple heating zone, multi-heating zones, CVD tube furnace, vertical tube furnace, hydrogen tube furnace, rotating tube furnace, etc. So if any interests, welcome consulting. Thank you.